welcome, my lovely light. So if you have a blankie or a block or a pillow, excuse me, let's try that again. Join me, my lovely light, in a comfortable seat. If you have a blanket, you could fold that up and put that under your sit bones, or maybe a pillow from the couch, or you could use a block. And what this does is it just encourages a pelvic tilt, and it allows us to land in this seat better. So I really want you to tap into your feet with intention. So can you try 1 foot closer towards the pelvic wall and 1 foot a little bit further away? This might and might not be in your practice. Wherever you are, it's okay. No judgment here. Taking a moment with the hands rooted down and just tapping into your whole self. I know at the beginning of a practice we can feel all the feelings, but we're here in nature, and there's water and there's snow runoff and there's earth, and it's truly magical. So just giving yourself permission to exhale. And as you exhale, can you just exhale? Beautiful. Just allowing the breath to come in more intuitively, naturally, and then exhale. Maybe it's just letting the chin go forward. And as you allow the chin to go forward, can you gently bring and carve the chin towards the shoulder on the left side, getting this lovely stretch in the right body. Doing your best to align your belly, your heart over your head. Good. Exhale the chin to center. And then carving the chin to the opposite side, being okay with any cricks or pops or ouchy spots. And if you notice any ouchy spots, how can you just be right there in those ouchy spots? And so we're welcoming in that raised shaka pranayama, which is an organic inhale, followed by a lengthened exhalation. And you really want to feel this breath like in the form of a belly breath. Good. Exhale the chin forward. You can reach the hand to the back, diving the chin towards the chest. Welcome the breath in. Good. And sometimes this can be quite painful, so you can just use the weight of the head, but if you want something a little bit extra, you can guide that down. Beautiful. Inhaling the body up, tilting the ear on the left towards the left shoulder. Hand floats up and reaches for the temple area. Opposite hand on the right stretches long, getting this beautiful side body stretch. Welcome the breath in. Send it away. And I want you to give yourself permission to just notice whatever's happening in your minds and your body as you bring the breath in. And perhaps you can smile because it is a beautiful day to be alive. Good. Exhale the hand on the right to the side. Other hand floats. So ear now on the right floats towards the right ear. You can take this a little bit deeper by floating that right hand up just on the temple area. Opposite hand reaches down. Big welcoming breath comes in. Good. Sends it away. And finding whatever stretch you need. If it's too much to stretch up, you can always post the fingers down. You can find what you need here. Welcome the breath in. Good. Sends it away. One more. Focus on that. Exhale. So just to let the inhale organically fill up, and then press it away. And this is a belly breath, so you're really moving that breath down through the lungs into the diaphragm. Good. We'll come back to center here, meeting in a tabletop position. Hands root down, pressing down and back. Let go of what you think this posture needs to look like. And find it, the wind is getting angry. Good. 2 breaths here. Welcome the pedal of the heels. Send it away. Beautiful. Welcome the breath in. Wonderful. And you can walk the feet towards the top of the mat. Uttasana, forward fold. Heavy the head, heavy the arms. You can sway the hips side to side. Welcome the breath in. Good. Send it away. Wonderful. Exhale the hands to the shins for half of a flat back. Exhale, fold it forward. Inhale, root to rise. Bring your body up to standing. the hands reach for your heart center. Beautiful. Coming in for a balancing pose. So we are coming in for this lovely dancer's pose. So if you have like maybe a bathrobe that you could use, a belt, like a bathrobe strap, we're going to start by rooting the foot on the right down and really root down, find integrity in the ankle to the knee, to the hip, to the tummy, to the chin, to the top of the head. So the strap is going to go on the back side or the belt, the front side of the ankle. So we'll start first getting your arms in a placement that feels good. Find a drishti, a focal point, and then just start kicking back until you can kick no more. So once you have kicked back till your body can't kick anymore, maybe you can reach the arms up. You can start hinging the body forward. You can also do this with your hand if you prefer. You can just reach the hand for the leg, hand goes out and start tipping here. I love it with the strap. It makes me be able to access flexibility in a way that I wouldn't be able to otherwise. So 3 breaths here, welcome it in. If you fall out, come back. It's really okay. Be present for it all. Good. 1 more breath. I know these balancing poses can bring up all the feelings. Slowly and mindfully come back down and shake it out. When I teach in-person yoga, I notice all the squish faces. So if you notice your face squishing, blah, 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 be funny, smile. And this time smile while you do it. Okay, rooting the opposite foot down. We're facing and getting a new perspective. So if you have that strap, find the strap on the top, the front of the heel, not the heel, excuse me, the front of the ankle, and then start kicking back. So this is actually a back bend as you root the foot down, find focus, kick till you can't kick anymore, and then you can start hinging from the hip. 4 breaths as you welcome it in. Send it away. Beautiful breath comes in. Sends it away. Welcomes in. 1 more breath in. Woo! Slowly and mindfully feel that burn and shake it on out. Beautiful. Reaching the legs open. Arms take up space. Your beautiful, bright, shining star. Exhale, drive the elbows in. Forward fold, wide-legged forward fold comes to the knees and to the bottom for a kerplunkus. As we meet towards the bottom, inhale the body slowly and mindfully back towards the mat. You can hug the knees in towards the chest. Apanasana, double wind reliever. Welcome the breath in. You can make little circles, medium circles to large circles. Beautiful. You can join in a happy baby. You can reach for the ankles or the outsides of the feet. You can peace finger the toes. You can quickly turn a happy baby into a joyful baby by rocking side to side. Lovely. Finding what you need. Maybe it's more of an intuitive move on your back. Whatever it is, allow the breath to guide you and let it go. Welcome the breath in. Exhale. You can bring the soles of the feet, kissing soles of the feet for a laying butterfly. Arms can rest out, or you can come in for your Shavasana with your legs straight. So Shavasana is our integration phase. It's our most important pose in our practice. I invite you to set the intention to relax, to soften through the top of the head, to allow the eyelids to heavy. Notice any tension or tightness and collect it in the jaw. Clench the jaw, clench your fist, squeeze it all in, and then exhale. Good, gather it all in, hold, and release it. Beautiful. As you exhale, relax through the jaw and the shoulders, softening through the arms and the fingers, letting go of any muscular efforts in the upper body as you soften through your heart and your spine, relaxing your navel. You can relax through the bottom, relaxing the legs. If you would like, you can lengthen your legs long to allow more relaxation in the legs, softening through the calves, allowing a wave of relaxation that washes through the feet and the toes. And we will take the next few moments to just be with what is, and I will call you out when it is time. Gently bringing your awareness back into your body, awakening through your hands and your toes. You could take a full body reach ahead, long stretch, the longest stretch you've taken all day as you wake up your lovely body. Hug the knees to your chest, and you can stay on your back, or you can meet me in a fetal position where the bottom arm acts like a pillow and the top arm hugs the body in. And you can receive these affirmations. I love you. I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am strong in mind and body. I am strong in mind and body. I am strong in mind and body, hugging it all in. And you can use that top arm as a kickstand and meet in a seated position, however feels best for you. You can bring the palms, kissing palms, to your heart center and really just feel that shift in energy that you created from the start to the end of this practice. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste, my lovely light. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I can't believe that we're on the 4th week of this yoga challenge. I really hope that you have just experienced and allowed your own awakening. And if you haven't started, the journey starts at day 1. You can find actually just like the whole video collage in the 30 days of yoga section, and you can start it and end it or pick up here and there wherever you please. So I love you. I'm grateful for you. I hope you have a beautiful day. It's going to be an amazing day.